Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Calm Speak English. Today is January 5th. The new year has started, but everything is still quiet, and that is a good thing. A new year does not need pressure. It does not need stress. It needs clarity. Many people start the year feeling heavy inside. They say, "This year I must change everything." They make long lists, big plans, big promises. But after a few weeks, they feel tired. They feel disappointed. Not because they are weak, but because the plan was too heavy. Today, we will not do that. Today, we start slowly. We start honestly. We start with real life. Let me ask you a simple question. Why are you learning English? You do not need a perfect answer. You only need a true answer. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to speak without fear. Maybe you want to feel calm when you talk. All of these reasons are good. But today I want to tell you something important. Motivation is nice, but motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel nothing. What really helps you grow is not motivation. It is commitment. Commitment is a quiet decision, a decision you keep even on tired days. This year, we are not chasing motivation. We are building commitment. English is not a race. You are not late. You are not slow. English is a relationship. A relationship grows with time, with patience, with attention. Think about a child learning to speak. The child listens for a long time. No one says, "You are too slow." Learning English as an adult is the same. This year, you are not trying to be perfect. You are trying to be present. You are here. You are listening. That is enough. You did not fail last year. You practiced. You came back again and again. Some days you did more. Some days you did less. That is life. Life is not clean. It is not perfect. It is not always organized. This year, we will focus on systems, not goals. A goal is what you want at the end. A system is what you do every day. If your system is good, the result will come. Your system will be simple. You will listen often. You will speak a little. You will repeat, and you will continue. That is enough. Many learners think good English means fast English. That is not true. Fast does not mean fluent. Fluent means calm, clear, comfortable. Slow English is strong English. This year, your English will grow like a tree. A tree grows quietly. You do not see it every day, but one day it is tall. Some days you will feel nothing is changing. That feeling is normal. Progress in language is often invisible, but your brain is changing. Each time you listen, new connections form. Slowly, quietly. So today, make one small promise. Not a big promise. Promise to show up. Promise to listen. Promise to be patient. You do not need talent. You do not need special skills. You need time and repetition. Now, let's talk about discipline. The word discipline sounds hard. It sounds strict. But the discipline we want is gentle. Discipline means doing what matters even when you do not feel excited. Think about brushing your teeth. You do it every day, not because you love it, but because it is part of who you are. This is identity. This year, we build the identity of an English learner. Not someone who studies sometimes, but someone who lives with English. Do not worry, we make it small. Discipline starts with tiny actions. If you say, "I will study for 2 hours every day," your brain feels afraid. But if you say, "I will listen for 10 minutes," your brain feels safe. And here's the secret. Once you start, you often continue. Starting is the hardest part. So this year, discipline is not about time. It is about starting. 10 minutes every day is powerful. Your brain learns through exposure. That means hearing English again and again. This is how children learn. Now, let's talk about routine. A routine removes thinking. When you do not think, you do not need motivation. You just act. You can connect English to your daily life. While you drink tea, you listen. While you walk, you listen. This is called stacking. You add English to something you already do. This makes learning easy. Easy does not mean weak. It means sustainable. Now, bad days. Bad days will come. On bad days, discipline is not doing more. It is doing something small. 1 sentence is enough. 1 minute is enough. Do not break the chain. If you miss 1 day, return the next day. Missing 1 day is normal. Missing 2 days is dangerous. Finally, let's talk about grit. Grit means staying even when progress feels slow. Many people stop in the middle. The middle is boring. The middle is quiet. But the middle is where growth happens. If you stay, everything changes. So today, make one quiet promise, not to be perfect, not to be fast. Promise to continue. Promise to be kind to yourself. I will be here with you. This channel will be here with you. 1 day at a time, 1 sentence at a time. Welcome to your English year. Welcome to 2026. And welcome to Calm Speak English. Bye for now.